What is up, everyone? Gerard here. I want to unbox quickly the brand new Jordan 1 High Pollen. This sneaker, I missed it the first time. I was looking forward to it. I saw it in pictures. I was like, you know what? That reminds me of the Wu-Tang sneaker from back in the day. I'm a Wu-Tang fan, but more importantly, I'm a Bruins fan. So I know everyone's saying Steelers. I'm not a Steelers fan. I'm a Patriots fan. But so when I see black and yellow, that's Bruins. When you see this, you know you got heat on your front porch. Am I the only one who gets nervous when this is out there before you get out there? Worried about someone snagging them real quick. But I guess that's why I have a Ring doorbell. Um, this ain't good. This ain't good. This ain't good. What is this? All right. Well, I wasn't expecting this. I got these on the restock from the sneakers app. So I don't know if you don't know, the Jordan 1, the typical Jordan 1 box, the black box with the red text. Nike actually switched it up on this release, and instead of having the red text, they turned it into the pollen yellow text, which I thought was dope because they don't do it that often. But this is not what I was expecting. I'm actually heated right now that I have this general Nike orange box. Now the sticker on the side does say Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. It has the style code number, and then it says pollen, white, black. So, size 11, heated. Let's see if they're in there. Them. Oh. So, they got the pollen laces already on there. See, they got the pollen laces, but they also come with black laces and the white laces. I've seen photos with both on. I hate the white laces. I don't think it's too much of a contrast, but it's between, for me, the pollen and the black. Right now, I'm leaning towards the black. I think it's just a cleaner look. There's a lot of yellow already on the sneaker. So, but these are dope. I can tell you right off the bat, super soft leather. Like softer than most of the recent Jordan 1 releases. Like the Shadow 2.0s, I thought that quality was trash. But these, you got, so this black tumbled leather, really soft. And this, the smooth pollen yellow leather is really nice as well. It's not as soft as the tumbled leather, but I don't know. So the yellow on the bottom is a tad bit brighter than yellow on the upper. But these are actually really dope. These are going to be perfect for the fall. A good fall color. I actually thought what they should have done was sort of like on the Shadow one point. They should have done a yellow toe, in my opinion. But these are nice though. These are a nice consolation prize. washed out. Super dope though. I like them. What's that smell? All right, guys. I just want to do a quick unboxing. I'm actually heated though that it came in the orange box. That's disappointing. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got your pair in the orange box, if you got the OG box. What did you guys get? Now, I will, like I said before, I got these on the restock. So I don't know if the restock pairs that went out from sneakers came in that orange box, but it's disappointing. You know, I plan on holding on to these. I don't think I'm going to flip them or I really like these. Like I said, I'm a Bruins fan, so these are really nice for representing the Bruins. Forget the Steelers. I'm a Pats fan. So, all right. That's it. Thanks, guys.